Welcome to QLC online video tutorial. We'll see how to add extra field to capture your customer's detail in FieldSense. Feature name is custom field. That means you can create your customized field. In FieldSense, admin have rights to create the customized field. So they need to log in on FieldSense web portal, come to the admin section, and under customers tab they will find this option add custom field. Means they can add extra field. Like these are the default field which is given in FieldSense, like customer name, email ID, phone number they can capture, and some other details also is there. But something if you want to capture which is not in this section, then you can create your customized field. Suppose in your organization there is a concept where you are capturing a customer's ID also. So if you have a customer ID and if you want to capture it, then you need to create a extra field. So simply click here on add custom field. You will get this section where first of all you need to define the label name. So as I want to capture my customer ID, so I have defined label name as a customer ID, and as per my label I need to select the field type. So I'm going to select the field type as text box, and then the placeholder which is just used for guide the user while they are entering the data. They will see enter the customer ID, and then if you want to keep this customized field as a mandatory or not, editable or not, and after creating this field, simply click on add to add it. You will get the confirmation message also. To check whether it is created or not, you need to edit any customer, and under this section you will see this extra tab called custom field. When you come to this field, you will see your added customized field that you have created. You can enter your data here and keep it safe by simply clicking on update. And the field that you have created, that is customized field, now it will appear on a FieldSense mobile application also. So let's see. On FieldSense mobile application, while adding a new customer by simply clicking on this pen option, when you choose new customer, then you will see all the default section that we have, and when you create a customized field, that will appear also under this section. And now if you suppose due to any reason if you want to delete that customized field that you want to that you have created, so simply come to the same section and click here delete custom field, and select the field that you want to delete and click on delete button. Then you will get this message, so please read it carefully. So it is deleting this custom field will also delete entire data that it contains. So it is very self-explanatory. So if you're deleting this field, then all the data that it capture for all your customer will get deleted. So if you're sure you want to delete, then simply click on delete option to delete it. It will get deleted successfully. Alright, that's all for this video. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can write us a mail on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.